Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. My husband and I just got back from backpacking through Europe. This is my first time to Europe and it was absolutely amazing. Today I want to show you guys the footage that we got from Scotland. It was the most amazing place. I'm so excited to share this clip with you guys and show you guys all that we did. I'm gonna have in the description box below listed all the details and a lot more. Some places you can't bring cameras in, or it just didn't make sense to film. I have a really cool edited clip that will show you guys some of the amazing views of Scotland and some of the things that you guys can do, which is probably why you clicked on this video. Real quick, I just wanted to give a shout out to an amazing company that sent me some awesome shirts. They're super high quality. I'm actually wearing one right now and I happen to be wearing the necklace as well. This is the Two Blind Brothers company and they are two blind brothers. And if you are familiar with me, I am visually impaired. I have a rare disease. Just like the brothers, we have the exact same disease, Stargardt disease, and their company is raising money and awareness, and all of the profits from all of their shirts and all the sales go towards funding the cure for blindness. So it's an amazing company. My necklace says love in Braille and I have a matching bracelet for it. So this is super near and dear to my heart. This video is not sponsored. I just happen to really love them and they sent these to me and I'm very thankful. And I think they're doing amazing things. So I'm all about that. Their information is in the description box below as well. So you guys can check them out and you guys can definitely support. Without further ado, I want to get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy this clip. Hang on with me until the end and I'll talk a little bit more about Scotland and some things that you guys should do while you're on your trip to Scotland. And if you haven't yet, right now, pause the video, give it a thumbs up and enjoy this clip. Thanks guys.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. They could be glorious, 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 glorious. They could be glorious, 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 glorious.
Alright guys, so some of my favorite things to do in Edinburgh was, well, when in Scotland, drink whiskey, and I am not a whiskey girl, but I definitely went and tried it, and I surprised myself. It was actually really amazing. So we did a whiskey tour with my friends, some Scotch whiskey tasting, and I got to learn and actually see videos of where it was from, and learned a lot more about it. So that was really interesting. If you're a Scotch whiskey person, this will be amazing for you, and you get a lot of Scotch. Hiking up to Arthur's Seat was incredible and gave us some of the most breathtaking views of Scotland. And after this hike, you guys will be able to enjoy some guilt-free dinner, because trust me, you guys are going to be burning a lot of calories on that hike. It is incredibly worth it. It is a challenge, but I had some of the best views ever, and it was absolutely amazing. Another thing that I really loved doing was just checking out the Royal Mile. They had some really cool shops. You can get all the souvenirs you want. There are a lot of street performers, so there's some really cool things to check out there. And just kind of enjoying the Gothic architecture of the city. It really kind of made me feel like I was stepping back into the medieval times. It was such a surprise, because I guess I went into this part of my trip not really knowing a ton about Scotland. So I was really impressed, just overall just walking the streets and checking it out. And while you're doing it, you guys can definitely check out a tour that we did, which was free walking tours. I will leave a link in the description box for that, where you go and you sign up for these free walking tours, and it is free. Now at the end, they do recommend tipping. Unless you didn't like it, you don't have to tip, but we enjoyed ours, so we did tip our guide, and we walked through the city. Now there is a lot of walking, there's a lot of hills, it's really beautiful. But yeah, the walking tour I think was about 2 hours, and we got a lot of history, which was really neat, because I didn't know a lot of Scotland's history. So that was one of my favorite parts, was learning the history of the city of Edinburgh. We kind of saved the castle for the last minute, so we didn't have as much time to go explore, but we did get to see the crown jewels and some of the really neat parts, and take a quick historical walking tour of the castle itself, which was really incredible, and I'm so glad I had that experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Survive.